Hi guys, Hosebo! Most of you are not from Singapore, and this is a Singaporean way of greeting you. For the past few months, some of you have been asking me about my opinion on Tencent Stock. And today, I'm going to share with you how Tencent generates revenue and whether Tencent is really better than Alibaba and the exact price to buy Tencent stocks right now based on my opinion. First of all, you may or may not know about this. Based on market value of the business, Tencent is ranked number 1 in the whole of China and Alibaba is ranked number 2. Tencent is not a typical public company. It is a Chinese multinational technology conglomerate. Basically, they are huge and they own many businesses just like Warren Buffett's company Berkshire Hathaway. On top of it, Tencent has its own operations as well, and it is most well known for its social media app WeChat. WeChat app is the combination of our WhatsApp, Facebook and Visa. Yup, you heard it right. People in China use the WeChat app to text their friends. They upload photos and videos to WeChat newsfeeds just like what we did in Facebook. And people in China do not use cash regularly. Instead, they use WeChat Pay or Alipay to pay for their daily expenses. And I'm not joking, with all due respect, beggars in China also receive their payment through WeChat Pay instead of receiving cash, as you can see in these pictures. By the way, China is really advanced in terms of their technology. Now you understand that WeChat app is really powerful in China. Based on statistics, WeChat is the number 1 social media platform in China. Tencent owns WeChat, Tencent Weibo, Douyu and Huya, 4 of them. In my opinion, whoever controls the eyeballs, they can control the market. In this context, eyeballs means attention. We understand that Tencent literally controls the eyeballs in China, which is super powerful. At any time, WeChat can launch a new product or services and people will just buy it. In short, it's like you having a 1 million email database. When you intend to offer your new products, let's say $50, conservatively 3% of your 1 million email database will buy, which is around 30,000 people. And immediately, you will receive $1.5 million just by sending out one email. Can you see the power of eyeballs and huge database? And in my opinion, Tencent literally has the most database in the whole of China. WeChat itself has very powerful economic moats that prevent competitors from competing with Tencent. Firstly, it has a very strong network effect because as more people use WeChat, the more valuable WeChat app will become as it has an increased database. The other mode is high switching costs. People in China are all used to WeChat as a social media and communication platform that they can hardly use any other platform to interact with their friends. In case you're wondering, Facebook, YouTube and all Google services are banned in mainland China. So the only logical choice for the Chinese to communicate with their friends and family and the outside world is through WeChat app. Tencent is known for its WeChat app. However, WeChat app is just one segment of the whole Tencent business. Tencent has other business segments such as games, digital content, fintech, cloud, and utilities. Based on the business model of Tencent, we can understand that the revenue streams are really well diversified in many other areas. And 32% of the total revenue, which is the majority, comes from the gaming industry itself. And some of the big games that owned by Tencent are Call of Duty Warzone, Fortnite, League of Legends, and Valorant. If you played any of these games, do comment down below to share with me which are nice, so that maybe I can start playing these games as well. Oh, 我操！ I'm just asking my subscribers about which game is nice. Just ignore her. Apart from being an operating company, Tencent is also an investment holding company. The following are Tencent's top 10 investment based on current value. If you notice, come nearer. Don't be shy, come nearer. Tencent has been massively investing in both JD.com and Pinduoduo in the e-commerce industry, but did not invest a single cent in Alibaba at all. Is this a sign that Tencent is challenging Alibaba upfront? Or is this just coincidence? What do you think? Do comment down below to share with me your thoughts as well. Let's zoom in to the financials of Tencent. Based on revenue, Tencent is growing at an exponential rate. Net income is amazing. Free cash flow, perfect. Earnings per share, if you dare to say that this is not good, I'm not sure what is good for you. Net margin is around 30%. Mind blown. Moreover, it has a low debt to equity ratio of 0.35 only. Now, we understand that Tencent is a really good business and the financials are really strong. And right now, let's see what is the exact price to buy Tencent stock. Tencent stock, the ticker symbol is TCEHY. The currency is US dollar. So let's use my PEG growth stock calculator. Some of you have been asking me, how can you use the exact same calculator as me? So I decided to give you this exact formula as a gift. Okay, so how can you claim this gift from me? Go to this link, bit.ly/gift for you. I will place this link in the description below, so do claim it right now. So the only thing I need to plug into my calculator is the current EPS and EPS estimated growth rate. So for the current EPS, the latest EPS is 16.52. So I copy 16.52. Do remember that this earnings per share is in Chinese yuan, so I have to convert to US dollar. So Chinese yuan 16.52 CNY to US dollar. So as of today, it is 2.58 US dollar. So let me plug it in, 2.58, 2.58. And the next number I want to find is EPS estimated growth. So it can be found here, EPS growth. As you can see, the EPS growth rate is, wow, it's crazily good, 30% to even 70%. And to be very conservative, even the estimated is 40, 50 or even 100%, I will always put maximum of 30%, and this is my personal benchmark. So I'll put 30% over here, and to be conservative, I will deduct some percentage, which in this case I'll put 25%. Yup, and entry price is being done for us. What does it mean? It means at the current EPS of 2.58 and an estimated growth of 30% for the next 10 years, I would want to buy Tencent stock only at this price or below. And to be conservative, this is my price. Okay, so we have two entry price. One is the expected, one is the conservative. And current stock price of Tencent as of today is 79.55. So let me copy and paste it over here. And great, this calculator have told us that currently the margin of safety is negative, which means there's no margin of safety. So currently it is still slightly overvalued. So in my opinion, I will only buy Tencent at a price of $77 or below. So now you know the exact price to buy Tencent stock based on my opinion. Do also note that because Tencent is such a huge business, typically the growth rate might not be growing as fast compared to smaller businesses, and the growth rate might slow down in the near future. Since Tencent is such a great business, will I be buying it? Nope. I will not buy. I'll stick to my Alibaba and other businesses that have a higher potential. But although I do not buy Tencent right now, Tencent is still a great business in my opinion. Do you agree with that? Do subscribe to this channel so that I am able to share more insights with you and we will profit from the stock market together. Do watch this video right now to discover how I make $780 in just 2 minutes and how you can achieve it as well. I'll see you there.